अज्ञानतिमिरान्धस्य ज्ञानञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुरुन्मीलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। गुरवे गौरचन्द्राय राधिकायै तदालयै कृष्णाय कृष्णभक्ताय तद्भक्ताय नमः। First of all, my hearty touch feeling, heart feeling, Dandot Pranam in the lotus feet of my Diksha Guru Om Vishnupad Shri Shri Bhakti Pragyan Keshav Goswami Maharaj. And same in the lotus feet of my Shiksha Guru Om Vishnupad Ashtotar Srimad Bhakti Vedant Swami Maharaj. Last Sunday in my class I told so many things about Guru Tattva and told that Guru Tattva is divided into four: Chitta Guru, Vartma Pradarshak Guru, Diksha Guru or Mantra Guru, or Shiksha Guru or Bhajan Guru. This. So many things I told. But if a devotee asks or he wants to know how to please the Gurudev that his heart will be melted and he will give his all the dhan sampatti, all his wealth of bhakti. So I am telling, I have told Aruni Uddalak, Ekalavya about Rupa Goswami and others. You know that Madhavendra Puri is called first Bhakti Kalpa Ankur, sprout of Bhakti Kalpalata. And how Ishwar Puripad day and night, even clearing his stools and urines and everything, he used to serve him. And in the next hand, you know the name of Puri Goswami, Ramchandra Puri. He criticized his Gurudev. Why you are lamenting? You are Brahma. And he told at once, oh, I don't want to see your face, you should get away from here. And he gave everything to Ishwar Puripad. And that is why Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu himself, Krishna, taking the intrinsic mood of Radhika, made Ishwar Puripad his Guru. Also you know that how Govinda Prabhu was serving Ishwar Puripad. And at the time of departure he told, oh, Govinda asked, what should I do now? And then he told, go to at once Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and serve him in Puri. And he went to Puri. Though he was of low cost, even Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, by the order of his Gurudev, accepted as his servant. And he used to serve day and night Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Even at the time of mood of when Chaitanya Mahaprabhu used to be inner moods. Also, you know how Rupa Goswami served Mahaprabhu. He is called Chaitanya Manobhishtam Sthapitam Jena Bhutale. Oh, this is the best service a Guru likes. And Chaitanya Mahaprabhu himself inspired all things that he knew, and he told to Nityananda Prabhu, Advaita Acharya, Gadadhar Pandit, Swarup Damodar, Rai Ramananda, and all that you should inspire, that he should fulfill my desire. This is also, you know, how Jiva Goswami served his Gurudev Rupa Goswami. And also, you know, you have heard perhaps my Gurudev, Srila Bhakti Pragyan Keshav Goswami Maharaj, the Sahajiya and a smart Brahmin, wanted to kill Srila Prabhupada at the time of Navadip Parikrama. And at that time, oh, how my Gurudev, at that time Binod Brahmachari, he gave his white cloth to Prabhupada, and he took forcibly the sannyasi dress of our Guru. This is service. And that is why Srila Prabhupada used to love my Guru the best in all his disciples. Now, in Chaitanya Charitamrita, Adi Leela, Pratham chapter, 35 Payar, he has told Srila Krishna Das Kaviraj Goswami, Mantra Guru are Jota Shiksha Gan, Guru Gan, Taharan Charana Age Koriye Bandhan, श्री रूप सनातन भट्ट रघुनाथ श्री जीव गोपाल भट्ट दास रघुनाथ ए छय गुरु शिक्षा गुरु जे अमार तासबार पाद पद में कोटि नमस्कार. Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami has told, my lakhs and lakhs dandat pranam to my Shiksha Gurugan, Shri Rup, Sanatan, Bhatta Raghunath, Siji Gopal Bhatta Das Raghunath. But why he could not told the name of his Guru, who was his Diksha Guru? He is doing pranam to Shiksha Guru, but not Diksha Guru. Why? A question may come. And then how to reconcile? Someone tells that when he was in householder with his brother, he was initiated by any local guru, family guru, as his brother was. Someone told Raghunath Bhatta was his Gurudev, and some tells that he was initiated by Srila Raghunath Das Goswami. But my conclusion is that Sri Kaviraj Goswami, in the end of each chapter of Chaitanya Charitamrita, he has told what? Sri Rupa Raghunath Padejar As Chaitanya Charitamrita Kahe Krishna Das. In each chapter, he has told Raghunath. But who Raghunath? Raghunath Bhatta, Raghunath Das Goswami. But we can reconcile this question that he always, Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami used to live with Raghunath Das Goswami in Radha Kunda. And there he wrote Chaitanya Charitamrita, Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami. And Raghunath Das Goswami has all the Karcha of Sarup Damodar, Raya Ramananda, what he heard from Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. He used to tell all these things to Raghunath Das Goswami. So, Raghunath Das Goswami has taken all from Sarup Damodar, Raya Ramananda, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, from Gadadhar Prabhu, from all, especially with Rup Goswami and Sanatan. So he was very expert, and he used to serve Raghunath Das Goswami, and he has told about this fact in Chaitanya Charitamrita. What I am writing, I have taken from the mouth of Srila Raghunath Das Goswami. So I think he is telling always, everywhere, his guru like Raghunath Das Goswami. If suppose he has not taken mantra or diksha from Raghunath Das Goswami, he has taken bhajan shiksha. What form? Shiksha Guru is not inferior in all case from Diksha Guru. Sometimes Shiksha Guru becomes more higher than Diksha Guru. If Krishna is himself, Sikhi Pichamauli, Sikhi picture, that is Krishna, then if we think that Chaitanya Mahaprabhu my Shiksha Guru, Rup Goswami is my Shiksha Guru, that really my Shiksha Guru is more superior than my Diksha Guru. No harm. So, in case what he has told right. Also he is himself telling, Jadyapi Amar Guru Chaitanya Das, Tathapi Jani Ami Tahar Prakash, 44 there. Jadyapi Amar Guru Chaitanya Das, Tathapi Jani Ami Tahar Prakash. Though my Guru is Chaitanya Das, Krishna Das, or Chaitanya Das, or Radha Dasi, no harm. But Amijani Tahar Prakash, like he has told that I don't remember. In Chaitanya Charitamrita, perhaps he has told, or Krishna Bhavan, that, in his Gurvastak, Sakshat Haritena Samasta Shastre, Ruptas Tatha Bhavyate Eva Sadvi, Kintu Prabhariyo Priya Eva Tasya Bande Gurus. Vishwanath Chakravarti Thakur is telling this. Though my Gurudev is Sakshat Hari, but he is the main servant of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu or Krishna. Guru Krishna Ruphan Shastrayat Pramane, Mantra Guru, Diksha Guru or Shiksha Guru, anyone, but especially here, Guru Krishna Ruphan, he is the roop of what? He is form of Krishna. But Shastra Pramane, because all Shastra is telling. But Guru Rupe Krishna kare, Kripa kare, Bhakta gane. Krishna directly does, sprinkles his mercy to anyone, but he sprinkles his mercy through Guru. And it has been told in Srimad Bhagavatam, Acharyang ma vijaniyat, by this slok. Also, he has told that Shiksha Guru ke jani ami Krishna Swarup. Guru is Roop and Shiksha Guru is Swarup. Then what is the difference between Roop and Swarup? Only this form is Roop, and with his beauty, with his all qualities, he is Swarup. Swarup means
intrinsic. Intrinsic qualities.
Nature. Nature. So, and he has given examples of all these things. So, we must serve Gurudev, to whom we are indebted more. We will have naturally some affection and love for that Guru. Srila Chakrabarti Thakur has told that there are 10 kinds of namaparad. No? First is sadhu ninda, criticism of Guru Vaishnava, and second is Guru Ravagya. What is the meaning Guru Ravagya? To disobey Guru. This is maha aparad. Don't disobey your Guru, whether he is Shiksha Guru or Diksha Guru. Don't disobey. If Diksha Guru, oh, never and never. And Shiksha Guru, if of the same quality, then you must not criticize him. That my Guru knows worldly things. Does not he knows only what spiritual things, but he is not efficient in worldly things. Don't do like this. Don't criticize him. Don't disobey him. Don't beat him. Always try to respect him. If anyhow you are disobeying him and thinking that he is mortal person, and I know something better than him. I don't know spiritual things, but I know more than him. He cannot manage organization. He only can give mantra to devotees. But we can manage. This is nonsense, and also this is offense. What is the meaning of aparad? Aparad. Rad means to satisfy. If you are doing something which is not for the satisfaction of your Gurudev, that is, he is not happy. If he is not happy, then this is aparad. Your bhakti will go away. And not only, if you are doing some aparad to Gurudev, Diksha Guru or Shiksha Guru, then you will go to more wretched than even hell, and anyone cannot save you. So don't these things. You know, Bhagavan can give up his aparad,
offense.
forgiveness.
Bhagavan can forgive you.
But Krishna, Harinam and his feet dust will not
Forgive you.
Forgive.
Guru will forgive you.
no
but
forgiveness.
Krishna
Never and never. Guru is soft-hearted. He will not take aparad. But his feet is dust. And Nama Prabhu, to whom he is chanting, remembering,
serving 24 hours.
and Krishna himself, oh, they will never excuse you. If you want that Guru should be happy, pleased to me, he should give up me, he should excuse me,
Forgive me.
then always serve him. And what he wants, you should know his idea and serve accordingly. And then, if you will do like Srila Rupa Goswami, as he did to Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Jiva Goswami, or others, my Gurudev, then you can be saved, otherwise not. Now,
25 minutes. पाँच मिनट बोलबे ना
और बोलबो
25 मिनट हो छै
হয়েছে 5 মিনিট আর বলে দিই Now I am beginning the life of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. You know that Krishna Sri Nandanandan Jashodanandan Krishna, Gopi Kant Krishna, he tested all kinds of rasa, 12 rasas in Vrindavan, especially 5, Dasya, Sakha, Vatsalya and Madhur. And in Madhur Ras, the mood of Sakha is called Sakha Ras. The mood of Vatsalya, Krishna is my son and I can control him. This is called Vatsalya. And Madhur means the mood of gopis. He is my pran priyatam, most beloved. Krishna enjoyed all these sufficient. But he is thinking something in his mind, that in this world, those who are ethics,
Atheist.
astic,
Atheist.
Atheist.
they do my bhakti. Do my bhakti means they
Okay, so
Yeah, they
bhakti.
They worship him.
But Vaidhi bhakti. In this world, ragatmik bhakt are rare, almost nowhere.
Those who are theists.
I am anyhow pleased to all,
devotee, that's
but I am not controlled by the bhakti who is doing Vaidhi bhakti, Aishwarjamayi bhakti. That I am God, Himself, Supreme Lord. Then their mamata and prem are reduced. ऐश्वर्य शिथिल है, प्रेमे नहीं मोर प्रीति. Where there is ऐश्वर्य, that Krishna is Supreme Lord. He has all kinds of opulence. He is Sarva Shaktiman. He is all powerful.
Almighty, omnipotent,
Almighty.
omniscient.
Then anyone cannot do love and affection naturally. Then he will think that like he is creator of whole world. He is like father, mother and others. So, I could not realize how Radhika loves me in that. 3 modes. Radhaya pranay mahima kiddisho anvaiva asado janadbhutiva madhurima kiddisho amadiya shokhan charsya madanubhata kiddisho vettilobha tadbhavadam samjani sachi garva sindhu harindo. So I thought, anyhow, in next life, I should come. I should come in this world and preach prema bhakti, ragatmik bhakti, raganuga bhakti, and thus whole world will know what is love and affection. Now 30 minutes, it is too for me.
This is one
So,
small correction.
There will be
vancha kalpatarubhasya kripa sindhubheva cha patitanam pavanebhyo vaishnavebhyo namo.
that small correction. What you told atheist means Nastic, not atheist, theist.
Theist.
Yeah.
I was telling, but
Yes. Today, and your heartly blessings. for
what I
all-
told atheist, not but
Theist.
theist.
Heartly blessing for all.
all the devotees.
Oh, my blessings to all the devotees
Heartly blessings.
who are even in Vrindavan, in Govardhan, in Delhi, in Houston, in European countries,
Russia,
Russia, China,
Australia.
Australia, New Zealand, here and there, in America, anywhere,
All
Hawaii.
over the world.
all are hearing.
Hawaii.
So,
All over the world.
my heartly blessings to them.
Us.
They should realize my classes and try to follow. Gaur Premanande. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hari Bol, Hari Bol, Hari Bol, Hari Bol.
Gaur Premanande.
Now stop.